Hey guys, so I just wanted to show off some stuff I bought at Pink today for the 2 for $50 sale. So I got this pocket long sleeve tee, which is a bling, and these were 2 for $50 or 25 each. So the reason I bought this was because I really liked the sequin detail, which it doesn't move, it's not very satisfying. But I saw somebody else who had it, I just really liked it, and then I liked the detailing on the sleeve, which is like a rainbow lurex. This is the reason I bought the shirt, is because I noticed they finally have some rainbow designs. I've been waiting forever for Pink to have some cute kind of like pride stuff, which they're not very good about. And I'm definitely going to have to get some more of their rainbow things, because I noticed a t-shirt I really like where the logo says Pink and it's all in rainbow across the front. So I absolutely love that one. I'm definitely going to get that in the future. But for now, I got this one since it's winter and it's cold, and it's worth a lot more than the short sleeve tee at $49.95 instead of the other one was $29. So that's why I went ahead and jumped the gun and got this one instead, even though I'm kind of an advocate against wearing white as somebody who likes makeup and coffee. So for the other one, I got a black pocket long sleeve tee, again with the pocket, and this one has a buffalo check print on the back, which I liked. I bought them both in a small, and they're both like legging tees, so they're really long, as you can tell. I'm a medium, and the one I'm wearing right now is a medium, but these ones are definitely more of a loose fit than what I'm wearing right now. And this one was worth $39.95, but as I said, it was 2 for $50, so pretty good deal. And then I also had a $20 off on top of it. When I went to the store, they had, it was like Pink Nation member, $25 free gift or something. Like, you buy $25 worth of stuff, you get a free gift, which I've used it probably like, I would say like 4 times. So I went ahead and used it again, because just made another email. And I got these lurex no-show panties, which, as you can tell, have that rainbow shine that matches with the shirt. And I actually just ordered a pair of leggings that look like this on the internet. So I ordered those online, and those will come in probably in about 2 weeks or like a week and a half. And when they do, I'll do a review of those as well. But that came with the 2 for $60 leggings, and I bought 2 pairs, so I'll have to do a review on that. But anyway, so these are the no-show, and I got the medium, and these are super comfy. I was kind of scared to get them because I read a review that they're itchy, but I bought a pair of white ones and a pair of red ones, and then that's where I went back and got these cute rainbow black ones today, and the leggings to match. But anyway, so that was what I did today at Pink, and I go there a lot, so I'll definitely be showing off in the future and let you know more about some of the coupon promotions that I always do when I go. Alright, well, thank you so much.